In this video, we're going to install the Canon UFRII printer driver for Windows. First, we'll Google Canon driver and your model number. Then, we want to make sure we find the USA.Canon website from the search results. We'll let the page fully load and we'll see a button for Software and Drivers, so we'll click there. The web page should automatically detect your operating system and version. The first result in this list is the recommended driver. If it doesn't have UFRII in the name, we'll skip it and find the one that says Generic plus UFRII and then press the download button right next to it. When the download completes, let's go to the Downloads folder. In the Downloads folder, we'll create a new folder and place the downloaded file inside. This way, it's easier to find after we run the extraction program. When the extraction is done, a folder should pop up with the same name. We'll enter it and we'll see a setup application. Let's right-click the application and run as administrator. You might be prompted to enter an administrator password or click yes to allow the program to run. Once the program starts, we'll click next for the setup language to be the same as the operating system. We'll click yes to agree to the license agreement. If we're prompted with a message, it's asking to allow the Canon driver information assist service through your Windows firewall. Generally, it's not needed, but if you plan to use department IDs to lock down the copier, it is recommended. We'll click yes here because we trust this UFRII driver installation. If you're connected to your copier through USB, you can click USB connection, then press next and the installation will begin. You might never use this one because once you plug in the USB into your computer and the computer will detect the copier and install the appropriate drivers automatically. If your copier is networked, you can try for the standard option. Choosing this option then clicking next makes the setup application search for printers on the network. If you see your copier, select it, then click Set Printer Information, then press Next to get to the printer information page. We'll go over that page in just a moment. If nothing appears, we'll have to go through custom mode. It's still pretty simple, but it does require a couple extra clicks. We'll be asked to select a configuration profile, but we'll click Next because Auto-Select is chosen for us already. Then, at the port drop-down menu we'll select the IP address of the copier. If it's not there, we'll click Add Port then Standard TCP/IP port and then click OK. We'll click Next then enter the printer IP address and the port name will be autofilled for you. Click Next when it's filled out appropriately, then click Finish and it will take us back to printer information page. With the port drop-down menu reflecting the IP address you just created, you could change the name of the printer, and you can set it as default. If you are using this computer as a print server, you can click Use as Shared Printer and name the shared printer driver. If you have multiple configurations, you can increase the number of devices and it will take you to the configuration profile then the printer information screen for every additional devices. Click Next to continue when you have your printer information ready. If you have pre-existing Canon drivers installed, the next screen might prompt you to update those existing configurations. You can click Select Printers to update, and deselect those updates so that you're only adding the new printer. Finally, click Start to begin the driver installation. Once complete, the application might ask you to restart your computer, but it's not necessary, but it should be done. Click Exit and we're all done.